What it do, big killers? Okay, so apparently Bae has a date day planned for me. She was like, it's not about us, it's about me. And then she named it luxury. But they're gonna tell me I don't have to dress luxury. So I'm really highly confused. And it's very rare that I actually like stuff that she plans. But she know how I am. So we are going to see. Not you opening the door for me. She's so silly. I am exhausted. I've been at work, she's been at work. I got off early. So let's see what she has planned. Okay. Hey.
What's good, man?
Oh my gosh, this is the most energy you've ever given my camera.
Yeah, I'm feeling good today. I don't know why.
Oh.
Maybe because, you know, I'm gonna get money nigga.
Baby.
My bad.
Can you tell me about my date?
Your date is just, the theme is luxury. It's something you've been wanting to do.
Something
So,
I've been wanting to do?
I think.
See what I'm talking about? See what I'm saying? Let us pray. Fingers crossed I like it, y'all.
You're gonna love it, babe. And it's free.
No, you're gonna love it. All right, well, we on our way, so let's see. Okay, y'all. I literally guessed what it was, and she played me because she was like,
just guessed it though.
But I guessed it before. No, I said test drive cars.
Yeah, but that you just guessed it like 5 minutes ago.
I still guessed it. Anywho, I'm in the market for a new car, and Bae brought me to come test drive new cars. Yeah. Oh, I needed to find time to do this, and she did it for me. It was so sweet. Oh. Okay, I am excited. You did do good.
I know.
It's not really a date, but thanks. I like the way you think. No wonder you wanted to wear what you were wearing. I put on a whole outfit.
It's what? Hello.
I'm really about to make me test drive a car. You little sneaky. Not you coming in here beforehand, checking things out.
I know what she likes.
You're annoying.
We just hit a test drive, man. You know, don't overthink it. If you like it, you like it. But we just here for you. Just have fun and see if you like the car or not.
You're so cute.
She about to test drive. She's excited. I'm excited. My girlfriend is really bougie, so I have to do stuff like this. Take out and do stuff she like, cause she be, yeah.
Thank you, Mommy.
I'm backseat, boys.
Yeah, I know. I'm sure.
Oh, it's nice in here.
It's nice. I cannot.
You can put the seat more up.
What?
Yeah, like that.
Cool, yeah, I'm shorty.
Yeah, I know. I'll show you. I'm not the tallest.
No, no thanks. It's okay. We're here though.
Over there? Down, drive, up, reverse.
This one, right? So left or right? Left, right.
See, this is the one that you were looking at, but it doesn't
Yeah, that one's nice. That's the big.
But if it's there, I wonder if they're gonna sell it.
Oh, because it's like art. Somebody probably already bought it.
Yeah, well, you can take it right here.
Okay.
I wonder, yeah, because normally when they're here, oh yeah, they sold it. It has paper plates already.
Ooh, somebody got it. Okay, it's a nice smooth ride.
Of course, girl, you're in a Mercedes Benz.
Girl,
They said go. They said go.
Thank you. Not gonna play with you. She's like, because you want a Mercedes Benz.
Yeah.
Period. Babe, what are you thinking?
I like these, the panoramic sunroof.
You doing a right?
No, just stay here.
Keep straight.
Yeah.
I know that sun ain't no joke.
Where are we going? And then you have your dynamic display. Because you want to put it on Sport, Sport Plus, Individual, or Comfort.
Where'd you getting out of the car? Why are you, my lens? Pause, Taylor. Distress in the place. Even the dad came. He cleaned up. Look at this man. He look like I own him or something. Like that's part of me right there. Yo, Big Daddy, don't play with him. You say red, you get red. Okay, clearly y'all can see I did not get a new car today. My dad ended up at the dealership. We was talking numbers and numbers weren't numbering. It's over there. The numbers weren't numbering, and I mean, I like the car. I might go back and get the car. I just need to work some things out because now my mama got so much to say and so much knowledge to drop. I have to go do research and I need to compare and I have to do all this other stuff. Like, my mama really making this shit stressful. I'm not even gonna lie to you, but I mean, she know what she doing. I've never purchased a car, so hey. But I'm happy Babe brought me for my experience because I really wasn't gonna make time to do this, and I made time to do it. So
working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I